how to express that you must do something in Japanese with なければいけません、なくてはいけません and even ないといけません。
何を言ってるんです。おとなしく寝ていなければいけませんよ。
So there are a lot of different ways that you may see this piece of language being used. なければいけません。You must do something.
遠い昔のことから話さなければいけません。
So let's break it down bit by bit and make it as simple as we can. First, you need to use a verb in the nai form and then drop the i and replace the rest of the conjugation. So 戻らない would be 戻らなければいけません。I must go back. Literally, the breakdown of this language would be like, if it's not done, it is not good. Or if it doesn't become in a certain way, it's not good. So if I don't return, it's not good.
はい。でもベンの方は私が戻らなければ目覚めません。だから私は光の世界に帰らなければいけません。
And this expression really is made up of two different parts. なければ and いけません. And both of these parts can actually change quite a lot, and you'll see there are many different ways of expressing must in Japanese. なければ, when used in more spoken casual situations, is actually contracted into なきゃ. So なければ turns into なきゃ. So we could see the exact same expression. Instead of なければいけません, you might just see なきゃいけない. So いけません, the polite form turns into just the casual いけない. So I must go in a bit more casual speech would be instead of 行かなければいけません, it would just be 行かなきゃいけない。
でも行かなきゃいけないんです。
Or maybe there's something you've got to ask. You could say 聞かなきゃいけない。
言うこと？何の話してんの？
どうしても聞かなきゃいけないことがあんだよ。
Or something you need to say. 言わなきゃいけない。
俺、君に言わなきゃいけないことが。
新しい未来を作らなきゃいけない。
カレン、僕たちはこの世界で生きていかなきゃいけないんだ。
Now remember how I said it's made up of two different parts. なければいけません. And then these parts change. Well, now we can actually change the なければ into a similar expression, なくては. なければ and なくては are very similar pieces of language, and they kind of hold the same meaning. It's just a kind of different conjugation. However, なければ is a little bit more formal and なくては is a little bit more casual. However, they mostly hold the same meaning, as you'll see with a lot of different ways you can change this expression. So instead of なければいけません, you could also say なくてはいけません. So like here, 感謝しなくてはいけません. I need to be grateful.
私はそれを感謝しなくてはいけません。
And this なくては can also be contracted into more spoken casual language. なくては turns into なくちゃ. So しなくちゃいけません is the same thing as しなくてはいけません.
なんとかしなくちゃいけません。
And now another way you can actually use this is instead of なければ, you can just use ないと. This is literally if not. ない not and then to if then dun 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 dun. This is a much more casual way of using it. So you could say 行かないといけません. I must go. But it's a little bit more casual, so perhaps it's more like I gotta go. Literally again, if I don't go, it's not good.
今日はお子さんは？
今は英会話教室です。もうすぐお迎えに行かないといけません。
And of course, you can change that いけません into just いけない to make it more casual. 進まないといけない. We need to move forward.
行こう。僕たちは進まないといけないんだから。
待って。まだ言っておかないといけないことがあるわ。
And that いけない, which means no good, you can also change that to just ダメ. That means no good. So we're not really changing the meaning in any of these situations, we're just changing the way it's said. ないとダメ also means if I don't do it, it's no good. I must. So 行かないとダメ. I need to go.
俺が行かないとダメなんだ。
And because this expression is made up of two parts, if I don't dun dun dun, then it's no good. Well, you can actually just drop the last part and just use the ないと to express I gotta do something. Because perhaps it's already obvious it's not going to be good if you don't. So you could say 行かないとダメ. If I don't go, it's going to be bad. But you could just say 行かないと. I gotta go. Literally, it would be if I don't go, dun 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 dun, and so you're kind of implying that something bad is going to happen. You're not stating clearly what it is.
そろそろ行かないと。
なあ、クラウド。俺、ミッドガルへ行かなくちゃ。
こっちからも隠れなければ。ガス爆発。確かめなければ。
So we can see that the expression just gets shorter and shorter and shorter and shorter. But at the end of the day, it really is just these two pieces of language. Nakereba, nakutewa, and naito, and ikemasen, ikenai, dame. And you can actually just omit the second part altogether. So you could just finish off a sentence with naito, ikanaito, I gotta go. Okay, so this is a lot of information, so don't be too overwhelmed. This is definitely something that you're going to take time trying to get used to and kind of get familiar with. Nakereba gets contracted into nakya. Nakutewa gets contracted into nakcha. You can use this connected with both ikemasen and ikenai, as well as even dame. And then finally, you can also even just use naito. But as you can see, when it's used in its longest forms, it's being very formal and sometimes very polite. And as you get kind of shorter and shorter, you get more and more casual and more spoken language. So hopefully some of these examples helped you visualize how this piece of language is used. It'll definitely take a little while, so please don't get too worried. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you're enjoying learning Japanese. If you like this video, make sure to like, leave a comment, and if you want to support the channel, then come join us in the Game Genko Discord community, either directly through the website or through Patreon. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you again in the next video. See you guys.